This is Arthur, and Arthur has had some issues with some chronic back pain throughout his life, and we've been doing some acupuncture treatments on him to help him out and make him feel more comfortable, and they've been quite effective. We're going to demonstrate doing one of his treatments today, so you can see for yourself what it was like for your pet if they were to have acupuncture as well, and see how Arthur responds to it. Arthur's owner here is Joni, and she might have some insights from the pet owner's perspective on how the acupuncture has gone for her pet.
It's just improved his quality of life, and I can tell when he needs to come back for more, acupuncture, because he's in pain, and this helps him.
Okay, thanks, Joni. All right, we're going to get started. So here's our little acupuncture needles. And I'm going to show you what one looks like. So the needle is it's very fine, almost hair-like in size. Now with Arthur, most of the needles are painlessly inserted. He does have a couple painful spots sometimes that hurt a little bit when the needle goes in. In a way, that's a good thing, because that's sort of breaking up the pain center in that particular area and really helping him to feel better from that particular needle insertion. And we're going to hook Arthur up to our electroacupuncture device today. So there's different forms of acupuncture: dry needling, where we just stick the needles in and leave them there. We also have electrical acupuncture, and so we have this device here that we hook up some of the acupuncture needles to, and they send a measured voltage and frequency of electrical charge to the acupuncture needles, and we can design the specifics of the frequency and the magnitude of the electrical charge to perform different functions. In Arthur's case, we specifically designed the treatment to relax his muscles and calm his neurological system down. We usually leave these in about 20 minutes or so. Oftentimes we'll make a little adjustment midway through. Most of the time Arthur's reaction is he just sort of lies down and relaxes. You can almost see the comfort in his face shortly after we get started.
I know, his eyes roll back and he lays down and just takes a nap.
Yeah.
He loves this.
So you can see I've just inserted that acupuncture needle. Arthur didn't really have any reaction to that at all. We'll put a number of these in, and when we get them all hooked up or inserted, then we'll hook up the electroacupuncture device just to some specific needles.
He's a good boy.
Good boy, Arthur.
Good boy, aren't you? Good boy.
So here's Arthur. He's been under treatment for about 15 minutes now, and you can see how relaxed he is. He's pretty much almost napping just from the release of the pain he's been experiencing. It's kind of and he can just kind of chill out and relax now. And this has been his typical reaction, Joni?
Absolutely. He loves this. He just goes into a puddle.
Yeah, so he's, just about done. And we'll be taking the needles out in a few more minutes, and he'll go home and be much more comfortable, hopefully, typically it's been a couple months maybe that's been lasting.
Right.
And he's a great little guy, so we're super gratified and happy to hear that he's benefiting so much from this. So anyway, just want to kind of let you know what it's like getting acupuncture on pets, and in this case dogs. We do occasionally cats as well, not as often. They're not quite as tolerant of holding still and stuff as a dog is, but once in a while we get one that lets us do a nice treatment on them as well. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you next time.